welcome back to the channel. After like a year of not doing any videos, we're officially back. There is a couple of events that we're gonna attend this weekend. I'm currently driving because I forgot to make the opening video at home. But today is an exciting day for us. We are going to pick up the Skyline at Davy. Somewhere they were doing some modifications to the car, and we're gonna do a video for you guys of that. We are trying to go back to all the events, so we will be posting during the month, hopefully, but we will keep you posted, guys. So let's see what the surprise is today.
Okay, so today is the day that we are leaving the Skyline to get its body completely done. I actually did this, which I'm gonna put the video. So you guys see this is no more. Last time you guys are gonna see this like this.
First, we tackle the rust on both the driver and passenger side rear quarter panels by cutting out the damaged sections and welding in custom fit aluminum pieces. Next, we remove the rhino liner from the hood, as shown in a previous video. Finally, we repaired the passenger side front quarter panel, which was damaged when a truck backed into the car while it was parked at my house.
Oh. Hola. Wow. Ese no era. Ese no es.
Y lo que le dije es que haya ya de afuera o no.
Lo cambió total, Henry. ¿Te gusta?
Sí, está preciosa.
Todavía falta un poquito.
Today we're taking you behind the scenes of a custom car wrap project that came out absolutely stunning. We stopped by JJwraps, where we had the pleasure of working with the owner, Javier. But before we dive into our project, let me tell you how we ended up here. Our journey actually started thanks to Luciano, the owner of Automotive Perspective. Luciano is a longtime friend and a car enthusiast just like us. He had already brought his brother's BMW E36 to JJwraps to have it wrapped in purple. And the result was absolutely amazing. The wrap was clean, sleek, and it really made the car pop. When we saw the work done on Luciano's brother's BMW, we knew we had to bring our car to Javier for a custom wrap as well. It was clear he had the skills, the experience, and the attention to detail that we were looking for. So we brought our car to JJwraps and we walked in. We could immediately see that this shop was full of talent. Javier and his teams were already hard at work, wrapping several parts of the car, including the gas cap, the taillights, and the doors. It was clear they were taking their time to ensure everything was done perfectly. One thing I really noticed here is how meticulous they are about every detail. It's not just about slapping some vinyl on the car, it's about getting every corner, every curve, every little edge perfect. They were making sure that everything fit like a glove. Of course, we had a couple of special customizations we wanted to add. The side mirrors needed a fresh wrap, and the red Skyline logo was going to be a standout feature on the back of the car. We also wanted to make sure everything matched perfectly with the wrap on the rest of the car. As the hours went by, we could see the car coming to life. The transformation was incredible, but as often happens with custom work, things don't always go as planned. We didn't manage to finish everything that day. We ran out of time before the final details could be completed. The side mirrors and the Skyline logo still needed to be finished, but since we had the Clean Culture event coming up in just a few days, I had to make a decision. I didn't want to miss the chance to show off the car at Clean Culture, so I decided to take the car to the event even though it wasn't fully finished. We didn't want to lose out on the opportunity to display it, even with a few details left to wrap up. And you know what? Even though the work wasn't fully done, the car still looked amazing. The custom color, the details we had completed, it was definitely turning heads. People were stopping to check it out and we were excited to see their reactions. Fast forward 1 week and we were back at JJwraps for the final round of work. Javier and his team were ready to finish what they started. The final touches like the side mirrors and the red Skyline logo would really take the car to the next level. As always, Javier and his team worked with the utmost care and precision. They weren't rushing the job, everything had to be perfect. It was clear that they truly cared about the quality of the work. And when it was done, wow, the car looked absolutely flawless. All the hard work, all the attention to detail, it really paid off. The side mirrors, the Skyline logo, and the overall wrap made the car look even better than we imagined. If you're looking for a high quality wrap job, JJwraps is the place to go. Whether you need something simple or a fully customized design, they take care of you. Javier and his crew truly understand the art of vehicle wraps. Thanks for following along with us today. We hope you enjoyed seeing this transformation come together. And if you're planning a wrap project of your own, we highly recommend JJwraps for your next build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay up to date on all our future projects. We have some exciting things coming your way, so stay tuned.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.